Это просто пушка.
You can argue beans and chili. You can argue sauce on steak. Or our pizza's better cold, or pour your milk before cornflakes. You can keep your deep fried chicken, your burgers and hot dogs. There's only one food group I need to keep me high on the ball. There's only one true answer when it comes to home-cooked food. The best in the U.S. of this, I promise you. You wanna see just where and how the sausage gets made, down where western swing